The world's worries land on Wall Street. Stocks, bonds, oil, all lower as Greece's debt rating was reduced and Dubai developers lost more than $3.6 billion. For more details, let's go to Deborah Kostroun at the NYSE. Deborah?
Thanks a lot, Pim. Yes, and all of that weighing on stocks today. We saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average at one point down 140 points before closing down 104 points. Similar thing with the S&P closing right near the lows of the day, even more so with the S&P. All 10 economic groups in the S&P lower on the day, with energy and materials taking a brunt of the selling. The markets here in the U.S. selling off as global stocks falling on concern about Dubai once again, and the recovery in the global financial system might stall. Also, as Pim was talking about, Fitch Ratings downgrading Greece's credit, and that also led to more global concern. Some traders saying the Greece situation is actually a lot more important than Dubai because there are a lot more European banks with exposure to Greece. So what we did see, Greek stocks and government bonds tumbling on that mounting concern that that nation may struggle to meet their debt commitments. And of course, that really kind of trickling over around the world, especially here in the U.S. And as you can imagine, as we have this global sell-off, certainly having an impact on commodities, particularly gold. Gold dropping for a third day as the dollar rose. We also saw a lot of selling going on in oil as well. Crude oil posting a decline for a fifth straight day. That is our longest losing streak since July for oil. Crude tumbling to an 8-week low on forecast ahead of tomorrow's Energy Department report that stockpiles climbing for a third straight week. So that is certainly something that the market's going to be looking at for tomorrow's trade. And as we closed out, there seems to be a lot of nervousness with investors about just how things are going to evolve here. The economic recovery might not be as quick as some people think. At least that's what a lot of traders are talking about with some of these situations that are erupting with Dubai and also with Greece. That's it from here at the New York Stock Exchange. Pim, now back to you in the studio.
Thank you very much, Deborah Kostroun reporting.